Which sentence in the last paragraph is missing a subject? Let's go through our choices and see if we can locate the subject in each one. A. Sentence 9. Protected by the Gulf Stream, they almost never get cold, so exotic plants, unseen elsewhere in Britain and brought here by Victorian plant collectors, flourish. A simple way to locate the subject of a sentence is to ask ourselves what or who. With this sentence, we'd ask ourselves what. What flourishes? The sentence tells us exotic plants. As this is the subject of our sentence, we can mark this choice as incorrect. B. Sentence 10. Below the waves, the archipelago is encircled by an underwater garden. Again, we ask ourselves, what? What is encircled by an underwater garden? As the sentence tells us that the archipelago is, we can see that this is our subject and mark this choice as incorrect. C. Sentence 12. We have jewel anemones in pinks, blues, oranges, yellows, and greens, sea fans, cat sharks, and rainbow wrasse. Here we would ask ourselves, who? Who has jewel anemones? The sentence tells us, we do. As we've located our subject, we can mark this choice off. And D. Sentence 13. And can dive among famous shipwrecks like the Sitta and Schiller. Again, we ask ourselves, who? Who can dive among famous shipwrecks? The sentence doesn't tell us. Most likely it's the we that was discussed in the previous sentence, but our sentence makes no mention of it. As this sentence doesn't have a subject, we can mark choice D as our final answer.